Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your Secretariat Practice Class 12 Standard. As you can see this slide, we people are on the lesson number 4. Your lesson name is Issue of the Debenture. In our previous video, we have completed one of the provision for issue of the debenture as per the Company Act 2013. Now today we are going to complete another provision as per the Company Act, Share Capital and the Debentures Rules 2014, Rules 18. So today we are going to complete the provision which is related to the issue of the debenture but as per the 2014 rules. Before starting the paragraph, before starting the heading one by one, we must be aware about the rules of the 2014 Company Act which is applied on public company as well as on the private company. It include the information. 2014's rules include the information what to secure an issue of the debenture with their own assets of the company having a value which is sufficient for due repayments of amount of the debenture. So as you can see this paragraph has taken from your textbooks. If a company issued the secured debenture, company must follow some conditions. Which condition? First condition says that about the tenor, about the period of the secured debenture. Tenor means period. So this condition says that all the secured debentures should be repaid by the company within the 10 years from the dates of its issue. As you can see this paragraph, same information is given in this paragraph. There are some specific organizations, there are some specific companies, those who are permitted to borrow the money from the debentures holder more than the 10 years. So what are the organization? The organization which are involved in the infrastructure project, the organization those who are permitted by the Ministry of the Corporate Affairs MCA. It may be the organization like the central government and RBI. So these are the organization those who have a permission to borrow the money more than the 10 years, but the years should not be exceed by the 30 years. Another rules from the 2014 is related to the create charge on assets. You already aware about this word create charge on assets means company has to create charge on assets of the company while issued secured debenture to the public. It may be a subsidiary company, holding company, whatever it is. As you can see this paragraph, company has to create a charge on assets of the company, right? The value of the charge should be adequate to cover the entire value of the debenture issued and the interest is to be paid on it. What is the meaning of this line? That means value of charge should be enough sufficient. जो आप charge कर रहे हो that should be enough sufficient which cover entire value of the debenture plus the interest on the debenture. If the debenture issued by the central government or state government, there is no need to create any charge on assets. That means if you are a private company or public company, then you have to show the creator charge on assets for the security purpose of the debenture holder, and that security amount should be enough, should be sufficient, should be adequate to cover the entire value of the debenture principal amount as well as the interest on paid on the debenture. But if the organization is like a government company, then the central government and the state government, then there is no need to create any charge on the assets. Next heading, appointments of debenture trustees. We already discussed about the trustees. Trustees means the specific organization, those who provide the protect to the investor. Being a company, if you are collecting, if you are issuing your prospectus in front of the more than 500 people, then you have to come the contract with the debenture trustees. So there is a appointments of the debenture trustee. This is the heading. So before issuing the prospectus or the offer letter, prospectus issue to the public and offer letter issue to the member. So whenever you are issuing the prospectus and the offer letter, before that company has to appoint the debenture trustees. Company also has to create the debenture trust deed either before issuing the prospectus or offer letter or within the days 60 days from the allotments of the debenture. So what is given in this paragraph? Before issuing to the prospectus or offer letter to the public, company have to come into the contact with the debenture trustees. Then the company also execute the trust deed either before issuing the prospectus or letter to the public or the members, or maybe the within 60 days from the allotments of the debenture. So company have to come with the contract with the debenture trustees, and that contract agreement is called as the trust deed. That trust deed contain the information and the terms and condition on which company as well as trustees, they both have to be agreed on that. The role of the debenture trustee should be clearly mentioned while company executing the trust deed for collecting the issue of the debenture. Now the next one, create debenture redemption reserve account. We have already discussed this information before, but today again we will discuss it in a brief detail. So being a company has to create a debenture redemption reserve account, that is called the DRR account, for the repayments of the debenture holder from the out of the profit. So as you can see this paragraph, company has to create redemption reserve account, and that account is maintained by the company from the out of the profit which is available for the payments of the debenture. So how much amount you have to be saved in this account? Company has to save minimum 25% of value of its outstanding debenture. So whatever the outstanding debenture you have, at least minimum 25% of the outstanding debenture amount you have to be saved in the DRR account. So the company have to invest, company have to deposit every year. How much amount? Minimum 15% amount of its debenture maturing during the year ending 31st March or on before the 30th April every year. So every year company have to submit 15% amount into the DRR account for the repayments of the debenture holder. The money from this account is only used for the redemption of the debenture. Repayment purpose के लिए you will use this amount as a company. Summary of the video. In this video we have learned about the provision as per the company rules 2014, which include the information about the share capital and the debentures. Our next video will be based on the requirement as per the SEBI, which is followed by the company while issuing the debenture to the public. So thank you for watching this video.